So I am back here with part 2. If you haven't already, go and check out part 1 of me washing my locks. The link will be in the description box below. So in this video, I'm going to be styling, retwisting, and doing my edges. So I'm going to be using Danielle By Nature locking butter to retwist my new growth, and I'm also going to be using Danielle By Nature smoother edge control to tame these edges, honey. So if you want to see the final result of me styling my hair, keep on watching the video. I forgot to mention that throughout the video, my roots did end up getting a little bit dry. So before applying the locking butter, I sprayed some of my roots with Danielle By Nature leave-in aroma mist spray to make them a little bit damp. So instead of using an edge control brush or a toothbrush, I feel like you have way more control styling your edges with using your finger. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase any of my natural hair products, the link will be in the description box below, or you can also go to www.daniellebynature.com. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I will see you all in my next video. Deuces!